This is the next page for the time capsule that we're making for coronavirus. This page talks about how I'm feeling. First, you need to draw the face to say how my face looks and decide if you're feeling very happy, a little bit, not sure, sad or very sad, okay? Then here you need to write some words to describe how you feel. Try to write the words in English. If you can't, you can write words in Italian. Here you have to write down what you have learned most from this experience. Here again you can write words in English or in Italian, or you can draw a picture if that's easier. This box says, what am I most thankful for? I'm most thankful that I have a balcony in my house so that I can go outside even if I can't leave my house. What are you most thankful for? Draw a picture of it here. It might be something in your house, it might be an object that you play with a lot at the moment, it might be a person who is helping to make you stay happy. And finally, the 3 things I am most excited to do when this is over. I want you to draw 3 pictures of the things that you're most excited about doing when coronavirus is finished. Enjoy making the last part of the next part of your booklet. Bye.